Welcome, everyone. Today we will see whereabouts of the damned souls that are collected and tortured. Inside of Microsoft Excel 95, there was a creepy game that is hidden inside the software. If you went down to the 95th row, select the whole row, tab over column B, go to Help and About, hold Ctrl Alt Shift and click the Text Support button. A minigame window appears called Hall of Tortured Souls. It is a game with Doom-like graphics, but the only thing you can do is walk around and look around. It consists of a room with glowing green pools and another with red names dripping down from the walls. But if you type XLKFA while facing a certain direction, a wall disappears and you can cross a very narrow bridge leading to a room with pictures of the developers. While it is pretty creepy, it kinda shows what kind of torture writing programs are. But turns out this is something made by the development team to credit their own work in a fun way. But because of a creepypasta, people act like Bill Gates is the devil, which is not likely. Thanks for watching, everyone. I know this video was short, but stay tuned for the new ones. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. See you on the next one.